Woman Aganza.
Where is that?
Uche, they come now. Uche.
Mbano, wala yama makosa. Wakanaki yata yamako.
Uche.
Another day has come.
Another day has come. God give it to us. It won't be our strength.
Like I want to go out though.
Oh, it's to be yellow papa.
Hey,
come to Uche now.
Yeah. How are you? You are fine. Hey, Gali go kill you. Who is this one?
Hey, the yellow papa now.
This is yellow papa. I'm coming. I stand here. I'm coming. Stand here.
Hey,
This one, I don't like it.
you don't like this one?
I know
This one be Asante Kwadu. This one be, this one be Kumasi Kwadu. Just the yellow papa. It be sweet than the other one. The other one they be sweet potato. This one be the papa.
See, in my hometown, I did Nigeria. This yellow papa came me one day. The last time I said, I no go venture.
But this one there, you do them slow. You go slow. This one you go slow. You know see the way they be, but the way they do they do they for do.
No, but this
you don't like this one.
Where is the other one? The last time you say you go bring it.
I'm also only watching me. I don't know channel pet. Where you say can make you ready? We can make you ready.
Hello.
Back on the near. Oh,
you are looking so good.
You can even you can even train him now. You don't do anything.
But it's
very cute. If I be cute now, you don't see the thing.
It's cute. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Everything is sweet. Everything.
But you need something. I want.
Oh yeah. But you know, the thing he say he wants 5,000 for his school fees. So we could send that. So every time I don't like when you come to the 2 man
Hey, yellow papa, take for Canada. What did the cat say? I'm Baba.
Want to tree? Why? To say only me 15 million.
But you are very pretty.
Me 15 million.
Okay. You have this one.
I have mobile money. Okay. let me put my number in.
Okay.
0.
I'm coming. Let me sign for.
Okay. My fee. Let's see your fee. That was up here at the. I should have. Oh, you me for me. When you money, 2 minutes.
Okay. Now the number.
0544 223388.
Okay.
0544 223388.
Repeat the number again.
0544 223388. 0544 223388.
Okay.
Yes.
The code. I'm coming.
The code, all right. You know me, say you see a man 50 million. You're chilling. I mean, you need to do flash. What? Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, you come.
You come, eh?
You come.
Oh, okay.
You come.
Oh yeah, you come.
So don't worry.
So we are going. So
okay.
We will come back.
All right. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. But this thing, tell us.
The other one, you still like him?
He said.
You still like him?
You understand?
The other one, a chair now.
The other one is very sweet though.
It's very sweet. But this one to know enter, why you say no sweet?
I will see you. Okay. So yellow papa, I give you money, you go give you some, eh? Don't worry.
So let's go now.
So go. I'm going out.
Okay. You are going out.
I'm going out.
Okay, go. You will come.
Oh, you will come, eh? Okay.
So the kind.
So perhaps we will meet. Oh.
I'm so dear to you. Nigerian man are trying to. Oh, but fun again. They say no. Listen, no, sir. Pepper the other man. Send our winning now. Eh? Yeah, man, yes, sir. Mamma send no town. Why? Sorry, okay. Send no town. What? What number is it?
0245 89 4127. 0245 89 4127.
Okay. I can send you money now. Okay. Say, Abba. Aba, okay. Mami, I'm perfect. Until the caught my friend, why? I'm perfect. Hey, man, tell someone to say, 15 million, I do 10 million. It's also a charge. Back on the tier. Where me, then you see, no channel background now. Or say, can you see me? Radio man, just coming. Coco, no, not to the toss. Guys, let the do fucking. I'm one of the for floor. 100 million. How much do we feel?
Check it out, 1, 2, y'all.
Mr. Benchik on the beat.
Wooch it, nene, wooch it, nene, wooch it, nene, wooch it, nene, wooch it, nene.